I keep seeing all these really cool camp kitchen, I guess tactical boxes, and I really want one, but I don't want to buy one. Where's the fun in that? So I'm going to make it using my 3D printer and wood and a rotozip and hopefully all of my fingers. I decided to go with a Scottish style back panel because there's so many ways that you can customize it to whatever your travel needs are. And if you go on Thingiverse or any of the 3D printing online communities, there are lots of files available for all sorts of different attachments. I'm using rare earth magnets and a steel washer to attach the panel to the back. And elastic cording works great for securing the things that don't necessarily go on a hook, like knives or scissors or what have you. And through the magic of 3D printing, I am able to create a whole custom set of attachments for that backboard. I plan on adding a bunch of Zach Friedman's Gridfinity pieces to the base just to organize everything that I'll carry along with me. Now for the top or working surface, I am roto-zipping out a two-piece topper that can easily be stored inside of the box for travel. And now down to the basement where I can get two nice clean precision cuts for where the two pieces will meet in the middle. And while we sand, I feel like this is a really good time to ask for your support. Would you please like this video and maybe share it with somebody? And it would be amazing if you would subscribe. I'm a brand new channel, and that encouragement would be so inspiring and motivating. So I cut these little strips down to add kind of bumpers around the piece. Bear has inspected my handiwork and approves, and this will keep it from sliding off the front and back and sides. And holy crap, it fits. I'm absolutely shocked. And now is the time where we do the wax on, wax off action. I have chosen to use food grade beeswax on this project because I figure it's gonna be so close to food and just, be on the safe side. And look at that sheen. It's not perfect, but neither am I. So what do you think? Would you do this? Any thoughts or suggestions on how to improve it? Now let's sit back and enjoy a little eye candy.